Hello and welcome once again, all my little angels. In the last video, I have shown you how to do subtraction without using any carry. I have told you 5 different techniques, are very wonderful techniques. The last one, if you remember, is using the concept of complements of 10 and 9. The same complement I am going to use today in my this new video of finding the divisions in the division operation. I will use this concept, and I am going to show you two wonderful operations of division, 1 by 13, 1 by 17, and you will really find it very amazing that how these divisions are done without actually doing division. How the divisions are done by using the method of multiplication, not by division. And what is the, what kind of amazing thing is that they are circular in nature. They are circular in nature. The division is circular in nature. I will show you all that in my this video. So please share. I'm sharing my screen with you. Come with me on my screen. Right? I'm sharing my screen with you. Yeah. So I hope my screen is visible to all of you, right? Yes. So these are technique I'm showing you to divide any number by 13 and by 7. You have to divide a number by 13 and by 7. Now both these techniques of division by 13 and 7, they are based on the concept of that 13 into 7 into 11 is equal to 1001. Remember this thing. 13 into 7 into 11 is equal to 1001. And that also 999 into 1001 is equal to 999. When you multiply 999 or any number, say 456 into 1001, you get the same number repeated two times. So 456 into 1001 is equal to 456 into 456, 456. So when you multiply any three number by 1001, the same number will be repeated two times. Now I will use this concept for division by number by 13 and 7. Now 13 is equal to 1000 by 77, 1001 by 77. From this equation, I can get 13 is equal to 1001 by 17, and 1 by 13 is equal to reverse of this number, 1001 upon 77. It becomes 77 upon 1001, 71 upon 1001, and 1001 from here becomes equal to how much? Is equal to 999 divided by, yes, 1000, 1 upon 1001 is equal to 999 upon 999, right? So just remember this form. You first just remember only this thing, 77 into 1001. 77 into this, you remember this thing line. 77 into 999. You have to remember this thing only first, right? So for the timing, just remember this thing, that to divide any number by 13, which is less than 13, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to remember this formula, 77 into 999. And the use of this number, 999, is that it will be a recurring number, non-terminating but a recurring decimal, not terminating but a recurring decimal. And when the I have got denominator 9999, 999, it means it is a recurring decimal but non-terminating, right? So suppose I have to multiply 1 by 13. So what is the formula? I first multiply 1 by 77. I get 077. I get 77, but I require a 3-digit number. So I put a 0 in front of the number. I put a 0 to make it a 3-digit number. And then I multiply this number by 999. I multiply this number by 999. So as you know how to multiply a number by a series of 999, you subtract 1 from this number, 077. I get 076. Then I find the nines complement of every number. What is the nines complement? Two numbers whose sum is total is 9 is called the nines complement. So what should be added to 9 to make it 9? It should be 9, it is 9 only. So the nines complement of 076 is 923. Is 923. You see, 0 plus 9 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 923 is the nines complement of 076. So then I finally divided by 999, and my answer is 0.076923. 0.076923. It is a recurring decimal, non-terminating recurring decimal. So I repeat once again, when I have to divide any number by 13, what I do? I will multiply by 77, then I multiply by 999, and finally I divide by 999. So when I multiply by 77, I will get 077, but 0, I get 77. To make it a 3-digit number, I will put a 0 in front of the number. I get 077. Then to multiply by 999, I use the concept of nines complement. I write 1 less this number. It becomes 076. And then 076, I just find the nines complement. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3. So the 9's complement of 076 is 923, and this is my answer. My answer is, then I simply put a decimal in front of 0, or making a, or you can say divided by 999, so that it becomes a recurring decimal, but non-terminating. It means this number will keep on repeating, 076923, 076923 will keep on repeating endlessly. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal. The same way, 2 by 30, 2 by 30, I have to multiply 2 by 77. Now to make it simpler, what I have done factorization of 77. That is, I will make 77 as 2 into 11 into 7. I write 77 as 11 into 7. 11 into 7. You see, I have made it 11 into 7. So that becomes more easier, because I know how to multiply n number by 11. So 2 into 7 is 14. And, or you can say 22 is also equal. So it is becomes 154. So 2 into 7 is 14. 14 is 11 is 154. So 154 into 999 is, again I write less than 154, 153. And then the 9's complement of 153. That is 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. And 9 minus 3, 6. So the 9's complement of 153. The 9's complement of 153 is 846. Is 846. 9's complement of 153 is 846. And this is my answer. I simply put a 0. When I divide by 999, it becomes 0.153846. Again, it is a recurring but non-terminating decimal. It means it keep on repeating 153846, 153846 keep on repeating itself. In the same way, I can find till all the numbers at 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13. For 3 by 13, again I multiply 3 into 7 is 21. I write 021 because I had a 3-digit number, into 11. Into 11 means 2 plus 1, 3. I write 231, and then I find the multiply by 999. I subtract 1 from 231, I get 230, and then write the 9's complement 230. I write the 9's complement of 230. What is the 9's complement of 230? 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 0, 9. This is the 9's complement of 230, and this is my answer, 230769. Of course, it becomes a non-recurring, it becomes a recurring non-terminating decimal when I divide by 999. So final answer is 0.230769 with a bar. This bar means that is a recurring decimal. These 6 digits are repeating again and again. It is a recurring non-terminating, not end. It will keep on repeating endlessly. In the same way, for 4 by 13, same procedure is there, and my answer is 0.307692. For 5, again the same procedure. Final answer will be 0.384615. Right? And for 6, 0.461538. So in this way, I can find the numbers of division by from 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13, 6 by 13. Now no need to find to do division for getting the more answers. For these numbers, 6 like 7 by 13, 8 by 13, 9 by 13, 10 by 13, 11 by 13, 12 by 13. What I will do is that this is the beauty of now this math, speed mental math, Vedic math. My answer was 0 for 6 by 13 was 0.461538, recurring decimal with a bar. I've not shown the bar, but it's a recurring decimal. Right? Now I will reverse the number, or because 6 plus 7 is 13. 6 plus 7 is 13. So for 7, my answer will be just the reverse of this number. 538461. 538461. In the same way for 8 by 13, it will be the reverse of number 5, because 5 plus 8 is 13. So it will be 0.615384. I have shown by shading the 3 sets of numbers in the same color. Here 615, it is reverse. I mean, it was in the end. For 5 by 30, it will come in the front. So 615384. In the same way for 9 by 13, 9 plus 4 is 13. So I will simply reverse the division of 4 by 13, and it becomes 692307. I no need to do any division now, because I know that this is the magical concept of this division by 13. So it becomes 9 by 13 means I have to reverse the number of 4 by 13, 692307. In the same way, 10 by 13, it becomes the reverse of 3 by 13. So it will be 0.769230. In the same way, 11 by 13. 11 by 13 means 2 plus 11 is 13. It is the reverse of 2 by 13. So it will be 0.846153. And in the last, if I have to divide 12 by 13, so either I can do as per the previous method I have done, or I simply reverse the math, 1 by 13, because 1 plus 12 is 13. So I get the answer as 0.923076. So you see, in this wonderful techniques of division, I have to just find the division up to 6 by 13. For the next 6 division from 7 by 13, 8 by 13, 12, 9 by 13, 10 by 13, 11 by 13, 12 by 13. I have to just reverse the numbers whose sum is equal to 13. See, 12 by 13 means 1 plus 12, 13. So I just reverse the division of number 1. For 11 by 13, I know 12, 2 plus 11 is 13. So I reverse the 13, I reverse the answer for 2 by 13. In the same way, for all the other numbers, for 7 by 13, I know 6 by 7 is 13. So I reverse the answer for 6 by 13. So it is a very fast way of doing any division for number division by 13. Of course, when the number is more than 13, suppose here is 623 by 13. Now I get this is a mixed fraction 47 12 by 13. A mixed fraction 47 is the whole number part or the integral part, or 12 by 13 is the proper fraction. Now what I do, 12 by 13 I know from a table is how much. 12 by 13 is 0.923076. I write this number 0.923076. In the same way, 345 by 13. Now this is the mixed fraction 26 7 by 13. So 26 is the whole number part, and 7 by 30 is the improper fraction. 730 is a proper fraction. So what I do, I write the value of 7 by 13. Now 7 by 13 is 0.538461. Now this fraction value 7 by 13, I know what is the answer for this from this table, 0.538461. 0.538461. So this is my answer, right? In the same way, I can go for 7 by any number division by 7. Now you see, just for like for 13, my base number was, like my division multiplying number was 77. In this case for 7 it will be 143. It will be 143 because I have to see that 7 is equal to 11 into 13. 1 by 7. 7 is equal to 1000 divided by 1 by 11 by 30. So it becomes 11 by 30 means 143. 11 into 13 means 143. So for all numbers, I will be using this concept of 143, right? So 7 is equal to how much? 7 is equal to 1001 upon 11 by 13. 1 by 7 will be the reverse of this. It will be 11 into 13 divided by 1001. And 11 into 13 is 143. And 1 upon 1001 is 999 upon 999. So I have to remember these two numbers only. Just focus on these two numbers, 143 into 999. For the time being, forget this number, 999. It is just to make it a recurring decimal. Now 1 by 7, I multiply 1 into 143 into 999. So 143, I again told you how to multiply. Just reduce this value by 1, it becomes 142. And then I write the 9's complement to this number. So 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. So my answer is 142857. 142857. Of course, it is a recurring decimal. So I divide by 999 and it becomes 0.142857. It is a recurring decimal. Mean all these numbers 142857 will keep on repeating again and again and again and again. In the same way, for finding 2 by 7, I have to multiply 2 into 143. Now 2 into 143 is how much? It is equal to 286. 286 into 999 is how much? I have to reduce 286 by 1. It becomes 285. And then I find the 9's complement, this number 285. So 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4. So the final answer is 285,714. And then when divided by 999, it becomes a recurring non-terminating decimal. These are non-terminating decimal, means we will keep on repeating continuously. And my answer is 0.285714. Now from here, and as you go further, you can see that the same numbers are repeating. It now starting from 2. It is now starting from 2. 285714. The same numbers are repeating in a cyclic order. In the same way for 3 by 7. Now 3 into 3 into 143 is how much? 3 into 143 is 429. 429 into 999. You have to reduce the value by 1. It becomes 428. And then find the 9's complement of 428. It is 571. It is 571. So again, you can see that this number 428 is a repeating number 428571. 428571. So as you can see that in the division by 1 by 7, the numbers are repeating, the numbers are rotating in a cyclic order. Now again the same beauty. For finding the numbers of 4 by 7, either I can do by, as I told you, multiply 4 by 143, or what you can do, because 4 plus Now, what two numbers made total of 7? 4 plus 3 is 7. So I just reverse the numbers of 428, 571. I just reverse the numbers for 428 to 571. Just like in 13, what I have done for finding the value of 7 by 13, I reverse the number of 6 by 13. Here again, I reverse the number of 3 by 7 because 3 plus 4 is 7. So I write 571, 428, 571, 428. In the same way, 5 by 7. Either I can multiply 5 to 143, or I will reverse the answer of 2 by 7 because 5 plus 2 is 7. So 2 by 7 was 285, 714. Now it becomes 714, 285. 714, 285 because 5 plus 2 is 7. In the same way was 6 by 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So I reverse the answer for 1 by 7. It is 142, 857. So it becomes 857, 142. So means just like in 13, we are reversing the numbers whose total is 13. 6 plus 7, then you see 6 plus 7 is 13. In the same way, 2 plus 11 is 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. So if you got the answer of 4, you can easily find 9 by 13 by reversing the numbers of 4 by 13. In the same way here, for finding the answer of 6 by 7, just reverse the number of 1 by 7. 1 plus 6 is 7. For finding the answer of 5 by 7, just reverse the numbers of 2 by 7 because 2 plus 5 is 7. To find the answer of 4 by 7, just reverse the numbers of 3 by 7 because 3 plus 4 is 7. This is one way of doing finding the answer, reversing the numbers, because as I told you, these are very peculiar, amazing thing which you can find in this division. Another way is that you can see that the numbers are repeating in a rotational manner, in a cyclic manner. Now here the numbers is 142,857. If I don't want to repeat, no, I have to find out from where the numbers are repeating, from which is the first number of the cycle. Now 2 by 7, so which is this divided by 2, which is the second highest number in this number 142,857. It is definitely 2. It is definitely 2. So I start from 285741. 285714. 285714. In the same way, 3 by 7. It is starting from which is the third highest number. Third highest number is 4. So I start from 4. 428571. 428571. Right? Now this is also a very beautiful method. In the same way, 4 by 7. Now, which is the fourth highest number in this thing? It is a 5. So 571428. You see, this is also one method of doing this division, doing the concept of rotation of the numbers in a cyclic manner. Which is the fourth highest number? It is 5. So I start with 5. 571428. In the same way, 5 by 7, which is the fifth highest number? It is 7. So 714285. 74285. And the last 6 by 7. So which is the sixth highest number? It is 8. So I will start with 8. 857142. So you can use either technique, either by reversing the numbers of 1, 2, 3, or otherwise to find out the first highest number, second highest number, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, to find the answer, and reverse and rotate the number of 142857. Rotate the number 142857. After finding out which is second highest number, third highest number, suppose fourth highest number. What is the fourth highest number? Fourth highest number is 5. You see, the lowest number is 1, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 7, then 8. So fourth highest number is 5. So I write 571428. 571428. This also you can find the answer very easily. So this is very simple technique of division by 7 by 13. And if you get numbers like when a fraction is improper fraction like 628 by 7. So I have to divide 620 by 7. I get 89 as the whole part, as the integral part, and then I get the fraction 2 by 7. Right? Now, the proper fraction I convert. What is value of 2 by 7? 2 by 7 is, as I know from my table, the value of 2 by 7 table is 285714. So I write 285714 as a recurring decimal, 285714. In the same way, if I divide 346 by 7, I get the answer as 49 as the quotient, and then 3 by 7 is the fraction, like proper fraction. And this number 49, 3 by 7 is a mixed number. So I write the value of 3 by 7 from the table, and the number is, or value 3 by 7 is 42857, 428571. So I write this value. In the same way, you can do all these divisions for a practice purpose. So in this video, I have shown you how we can divide any number by 13 and by 7 using the concept of that 7 into 11 into 13 is equal to 1001. And the next concept is that if you multiply 999 by 1001, you get the answer as 999. Means when you multiply any number, 3-digit number, by 1001, the same three-digit number is repeated two times. Suppose you multiply 456 into 1000 when you get 456, 456. But here I require 999, so 999 into 1001 is equal to 999, And when I am dividing this number by 999, it becomes a recurring decimal, non-terminating decimal. So in all these questions, in all these answers, the answer is always a recurring non-terminating decimal. And the other beauties I have shown you that it is always the reverse of the numbers. It is always the reverse of the numbers. Like for 6 by 13, 7 by 13 is reverse of 6 by 13. For 8 by 13, reverse of 5 by 13. For 9 by 13, reverse of 4 by 13. Why 4? Because 4 plus 9 is 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. 11 plus 2 is 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. So any two numbers whose total is 13, their division will be reverse of each other. In the same way for 7. In the same way for 7, as you can show you, 1 plus 6, they are reverse of each other. Because 7 plus 6 is 7. As you can see, 1 plus 6, they are reverse of each other. In the same way, 2 plus 5, 2 and 5 are reverse of each other. 2 and 5, 7 and 4, 7 and 4, 2 and 5. And 3 by 7 and 4 by 7, they are reverse of each other. Any two numbers whose sum is 7, their division will be reverse of each other. So very peculiar, amazing fact of division by 7 and 11. So I hope you have understood fully the amazing beauty of this division by 7 and 13. Yeah. So here I stop my video. And if you want to understand, want to learn more amazing facts of division, subtraction, multiplication, square, cube roots, everything which is covered in speed mental math, then please do contact me. My personal mobile number, contact number, you can WhatsApp me also. It is 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811. Please do contact me, and I will give you how you can become the master of speed mental math, how you can become a mathematician. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.